Nutritious, colourful, and mouth-watering. Enjoy this protein-packed salmon dish with lots of fresh veggies, making every bite a feast for the taste buds. Let's start with the marinade. Bring the water to a boil and mix in vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now cut the radish into thin slices, put it into a small bowl and add half of the marinade. Repeat with the cucumber and let both bowls soak in the flavour until ready to serve. Next, bring salted water to a boil and add the rice. Reduce the heat and cook with the lid on. When the water is absorbed, season with sugar and vinegar. Then put the lid back on and set aside. Heat a pan with a drizzle of oil. Drain the corn. Rinse and toss it into the pan with the salt and pepper. Cook until lightly toasted and make sure to stir often. Then set it aside. Combine the miso paste with half of the sweet and sour sauce, some water, and the juice of a lime wedge. Go ahead, give it a taste test. Time for the fish. Take the salmon and cut it into slices with a sharp knife. Now bring back the pan that you used for the corn and heat it up again with a drizzle of oil. Cook the salmon on the skin side for 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's light and opaque in the middle. Flip it. Add some butter, the miso sauce, and a splash of water. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Almost there. Cut the avocado in half, scoop out the inside, and cut it into slices or cubes. Mix the aioli sauce with the remaining sweet and sour sauce. Divide the rice between bowls. Add the salmon, corn, and avocado. Remember that marinade soaked radish and cucumber? Now is their time to shine. Crown your creation with a sweet and sour aioli sauce and the remaining sesame seeds. Serve with a lime wedge for that extra tang. Now dig in and enjoy!